We'll guide you through how to download and install mods in Minecraft 1.21. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Mods are a great addition to Minecraft as they can go and change the things in the game and how the game is played. So let's get started. First of all, we do need to go and quit Minecraft. Go and open up a web browser of your choice. In this case, I'll use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. If you've got a mod in mind, you can go and search for it. Otherwise, a great site you can get mods from is called CurseForge. So come to curseforge.com. We can go and select Minecraft, and you can select Browse All at the top. And you can start browsing through different mods you can go and get. When you see a mod you want, you can go and click on it. In this case, I want the minimap mod, and then what we can do is go and read the description, but to go and download it, click Files. Now we can scroll down here and start seeing the different files here. What we want to look at is the game version and mod loader. We want the mod loader to be Forge and the game version to be 1.21. You're going to see there are different variants of 1.21. It could be 21.3 or 21.4. I'll just get the newer one. So I'll go for this one here, come to the right and press the three dots and press download file. As we got the mod loader to be Forge, we now need to go and download Forge. Of course, you could go and get more mods here. Just make sure they're for the same game version. In this case, we got a mod for 1.21.4. So the mod will need to be for that same version. Search for Minecraft Forge like so, and you can then come to the official site. Come to the left and make sure you choose the version that the mod is for. It's going to be something like 1.21 point something else. In this case, it's 1.21.4 for this mod. And then I can go and press installer here. You're going to go and get taken to an ad wall. Just be aware if you see a download button here, it's for the ad. You need to go and click the skip button in the top right, like so, and then it'll go and download, as you can see. Before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. At the moment, you can get 30% off your first invoice. I'll put a link down below in the pinned comment and the description, and you can go and get yourself a Minecraft server. They've got so many great benefits, for example, one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, and so much more as well. A big thanks to them for sponsoring the video. As I said, there's a link down below which you can go and check out. And we need to go and open up a file explorer, come to downloads, and what we then need to do is go and install Forge. Go and double click on it like so. It should go and open up and look like this. If it doesn't, this is likely because you don't have Java installed. So what you need to do is come back to your web browser and head to java.com. Here you can click download Java for desktops, download it and install it. Then return, and you can then right click on Forge, hover over open with and select Java, or click choose another app, find it and press always, and it will go and run. If it still doesn't, you may need to do something called a jar fix. We've got a video on that, but once you've got it open, you can press install client and press OK, and it's going to install. Now be patient and wait. When it's finished, we can then go and press OK. And what we need to do is then go and open up the Minecraft launcher. In the launcher, go to the top and press installations. And what you can do is go and scroll down and go and find Forge. As you can see, here it is for 1.21.4. Press the open installations folder button to the right, and your files will then go and open. And what you need to do is go and scroll down and go and find the mods folder. Double click on it, and then what we need to do is go and add in the mods. So what I can do is go and open up my downloads folder, and I'll then go and drag and drop the mod in. If you have multiple, add them. As I said, just make sure they're for the same version. And then what you can do is go and hover over Forge and press play to the right, confirm you're playing a modified version of Minecraft, and it will run. You'll go and see we then have the mods button, and you can click on it and see the mods you've installed. Here we are in the world, and you can see I got the minimap mod, and you can see it in the top left.